Good morning. I'm meteorologist Dave Epstein. It is Tuesday, the 30th of December. Let's get to our weather wisdom for today. Most areas yesterday had about a third to zero point 0.4 inches of precipitation. Not a lot. And I was looking, 44% of the country has some sort of drought. Now, I don't want to be harping drought at the end of December. It's pointless. But it is notable that nearly all of northern New England is drier than average. And a bunch of southern New England is drier than average, or even a little bit of drought, even here in Massachusetts. So we definitely are going to have to watch this as we head through the next couple of months. Let's see what happens, whether we can get back to average precipitation. We're about half in December. It's cold, but it's been dry. And those two things tend to go together because we have the air coming down from the northwest. So when you get Canadian air and it's colder than average, you tend to be drier than average. We're going to get into a blocking situation here as we head through the next couple of weeks, and that could mean some coastal storms. I don't want to say it's going to, but the pattern can be conducive for that. Not today. Today it's just blustery. We've got that wind advisory posted, temperatures in the 20s, high wind warning for Worcester County. Higher elevations, could be some scattered power outages. Tonight the breeze continues down near 20. Tomorrow we're back near freezing with a lot of clouds. Well, you may see a little sun the next couple of days, but a lot of clouds. New Year's Eve, a couple of snow showers, temperature near 20. It'll probably be for most of the evening in the 20s. You know, that 20 is in the morning, so figure at midnight it's like 24 downtown Boston if you're going to first night. Then as you head for New Year's Day, a snow shower, mostly sunny, back to the 20s, and it continues in the 20s with dry weather right through the weekend, maybe up near 30 for Saturday and Sunday. So no deep, deep cold in sight and no deep, deep snow after we lost a lot of it, especially east of 495, where it got into the 40s yesterday. You got north and west of, say, the Pike, 495, that warm air never penetrated into that area. Please share this with your friends and let me know if there's anything you'd like to hear. Have a great day, everybody.